Ikomishoni ephanda ngokubanjwa ngobhongwana kukarhulumente iceba ukuya kumongameli ukuba kwenziwe iinguqu kwimiqathango esebenza phantsi kwayo lekomishoni. Lekomishoni ifuna ukuqoshelisa umsebenzi wayo ekupheleni konyaka. Bekufanele ukuba lekomishoni iqoshelisa umsebenzi wayo kule nyanga izayo, kodwa lekomishoni ifak'iscelo kwinkundla ephakamileyo sokuba kolulwe ixesha ngenxa yemiba eliqela engekaqosheliswa.
Personally delivered it to Jacob Zuma.
Ngemva kofakazi abangaphezu kwe-150 kanye namakhasi angu-450,000 obufakazi.
Our plan is that this year should be the last year of the commission.
Kodwa uZondo uthi le komishana idinga isikhathi esithe xaxa. Kanti usenxusa ukuthi le komishana yengezwe ngezinyanga eziyishumi.
If we are not granted an extension, I don't even think we would be able to make any findings, because we can't make findings on the basis of an incomplete investigation. So it would be a disaster.
Kodwa ke njengoba ugcwele uphuphuma umsebenzi wale komishana, uZondo uthi angasanxusa umengameli ukuthi achibiyele imigomo ikomishana esebenza ngaphansi kwayo.
The president could consider whether some of the matters that at present fall within the terms of reference could be taken out of the terms of reference but be subjected to some other investigation or process, but that would be up to the president to decide.
Kodwa kumbuzo omkhulu ukuthi ngabe umndeni okaGupta uzovela yini phambi kwale komishana, nokuthi lo ngokubanjwa Jacob Zuma uzobuya yini ukuzokwethula ubufakazi. uZuma kazange avele kabili ngaphambilini ekhala ngokugula, kanti uphinde wabika okufanayo njengoba bekumele avele ngesonto elizayo.
It would be important that one hears that evidence, but if for whatever reason we were to finish our work without him appearing, I'll make my findings based on the evidence of everyone else.
Isicelo sokwengezwa kwale komishana sizolalelwa inkantolo enkulu ePitoli mhla ziyi-11 ngenyanga ezayo. Ngingumanqoba Mchunu wesindaba se-SABC eGoli.